Today a Volkswagen Polo GTI come here to upgrade the shock absorber kit. Let us now take a look at the height of the original car. The front is basically in the state of 3.5 to 4 fingers. The rear reached the state of 5 finger. The whole vehicle is basically low in the front and high in the rear. In the past, the design of these old cars was basically to extend their stroke to ensure good passing performance. But for some current urban roads, this height is not necessary. And it's really not pretty. Now let's install a set of shock absorbers on it and lower its body to take a look.
Like